Alright, I'm going to do a little kind of an unboxing. Here's all the parts for the, it's a Lumberjack 9-ton log splitter. Chinese, of course. They come very well packaged. There's the motor, engine in the top right hand corner, wheels, braces, axles. This is the main portion of it. It does have a single beam splitter. It's just a wedge. I mean, it's not a wedge, it's just a blade. I'll do a little review, kind of first run after we get it going. This is the crate it come in, very well packaged. So that is the Lumberjack 9-ton, and I bought it from a big box store, Tractor Supply. I'll do another video when it gets running. Have a blessed day.